Our project is Ethiopia Feeder Road Development for Inclusive Productive Employment. Feeder roads connect rural areas to urban centers, also to major roads. So the development of feeder roads often is considered as a given good. Our project tries to question that and substantiates our understanding. The aim is to investigate the impact of feeder road development on inclusive growth and productive employment. We will do comparative case studies of 3 or 4 areas with different agroecological areas in Tigray, northern Ethiopia, and also hoping to find projects that is at different stages of road development. We will look at employment generation during the road development, post-construction employment generation and impact on the local economies, not only about the number of work jobs, but also what kind of labor, what kind of condition, are they formal, informal, coerced or not? How does that contribute to what they call the decent labor vision? Also, because there are roads that they change mobility patterns and migration patterns, we're also interested in looking at what kind of impact then this kind of movements, human movements, and also capital movement and goods movement would have on the local areas. And last but not least, we will also study the impact of road construction on the natural environment, in particular on soil erosion and hydrological environment, and how that kind of changes impact livelihood opportunities and constraints. Our project actually builds on an ongoing project that focus on the third part. So we are very confident that we will have a lot of interest and readiness and motivation of local actors who are interested in working with us. And so we are hoping for a very high level of research uptake and research impact. So here are our knowledge activities. Maybe rather classical, but it is moving. We hope to engage what we call a learning group, which is maybe another word, say multi-stakeholder sort of formation, including representative of the district administration. That's something I think very important. We've been talking about national level a lot. Our project really goes down onto ground and to study various, how things take place on the ground. So district administration is very important. We hope to work with farmers, pastorals, donor representatives, road building authority, but this is a provisional list, so we will see when we're in the field whom we can engage and who is willing to work with us. We will prepare and disseminate a guidance document. This is something policy oriented in the direction of what we just talked, policy documents and policy alerts. Knowledge sharing in different formats, scientific publications of course, but also different media, radio, TV, whatsoever. Webinars, workshops with policymakers at regional level. Also with the learning group, also workshop with policymakers at national level. We also have planned to do a small comparative studies in Kenya.